Happy Halloween, motherfrickers. It's time for some art. Today, we're going to get spooky. We're going to get very dark and creepy. And of course, we're going to do some art. Because why wouldn't we? It's Halloween. Happy Halloween. Today I thought that the thing we could do would be to draw it. No, for real though, happy Halloween everybody. I am super duper excited to be here making a video for you once again. Let's do that again. So yeah, anyway, I am super duper hyped to be making this video for you today, guys. Why wouldn't I be excited? It's art. It's our chance to... What the hell is that? So today, guys, I am really excited. I'm going to be bringing you some more art because it's what we do on this channel. We make things, whether it be art or cool stuff or anything in between, and we do cool stuff all the time. So let's make some freaking art, shall we? What is that? What is going on? Wanna play a game? Yeah, I did that. So we finished the art. The art is finished. And I'm super duper pleased with how this came out. It's kind of like a mixture of all my different arts that I like to do. The alcohol markers, the silhouette type of art that I like to do. And on top of that, it just looks freaking badass. I am super duper pleased with this whole thing. Like, I really like the whole lit background. I took some inspiration from various different things, you know, pretty much what the poster art, you've got like some of the silhouette art that came out, some of the art of Little Dude, and yeah, everything came out pretty decent. There'll be some beauty shots, if you can call it that, looking at the art as we go over things. And yeah, I gotta say, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Let me know down below, what did you think? Do you think it looks cool? Is it spoopy enough for you? And did you enjoy the video? Hey, let me know in the comments down below. If you want to see these things sometimes in the making, follow me over on Instagram, and you can find me over there, and yeah, that'll be good for you. You'll see stuff before it comes out in video form. Anyway, thank you so much to everyone for watching the video, and subscribe and like if you enjoyed.